Hello my dear students. Today let us learn about participles. So what are participles? Let us understand first. Like we have done infinitives, which are 2 plus verbs, right? Then we have done gerunds, which are verb plus ing, and they act as a noun in the sentence. So what are participles? Participles are the verbs basically, and whenever they are used in a sentence, they act as an adjective. So participles are verbal adjectives. You will, like for example, I say the wounded man was rushed to the hospital nearby. If I say the wounded man, here wounded is the participle, but it is qualifying the noun man. The wounded man was rushed to the hospital, right? So here wounded is a participle because it is a verb which is acting as an adjective. So there, how many types of participles we have? We have present, past and perfect. Present, in the present participle there will be ing in the end. In the past participle there will be ed, means third form of verb. Then in the perfect participles either having will be used or having been will be used. To understand the concept, examples are needed. Come to page number 72 of your books to understand. We are doing B part because there we have to underline the participles and then write whether they are present, past or perfect participles. So first example I did with you. The wounded man. Find out the adjective which is qualifying the noun. The wounded man was rushed to the hospital nearby. Now here there are two words, wounded and rushed. But rushed is not acting as an adjective, wounded is acting as an adjective. So it is a participle, right? And which participle? Wounded is past participle. The damaged car could not be repaired. Now repaired and damaged. But repaired is not qualifying anything, damaged is qualifying car, right? The damaged car. So damaged is the verb which is acting as an adjective. And damaged is what participle? Past participle. The mother tried her best to calm the screaming baby. Screaming baby. Scream is a verb, right? And screaming word is qualifying the noun baby. So screaming is the participle and screaming ing, it is present participle. Fourth, having been warned by the teacher, the students remained quiet. Now very easy, having been warned. Having been is used. So warned is the participle and having, because of having been, the presence of having been, it is warned is what kind of participle? Perfect participle. The police could not recover the stolen ornaments. What kind of ornaments are they? Stolen. The word stolen is qualifying the ornaments. So stolen is the participle and it is past participle, third form. Sixth, having completed the assignment, Reena gave a sigh of relief. Again, having completed. So it is completed is the participle and because of the presence of having, this is perfect participle. The chief guest having arrived, the program started. Again, arrived is the participle because having is there, this is perfect participle. The disappointed fans left the stadium noisily. The disappointed fans. Fans were disappointed. So the word disappointed is qualifying fans and disappointed is past participle. So I am repeating this again. What are participles? Participles are the verbs which act as adjectives and there are three types: present, past and perfect. Present uses ing, past uses ed or third form and perfect uses having or having been. Then what are infinitives? Just for revision, infinitives are 2 plus verbs which do not change with the change in subject, right? And what are gerunds? Gerunds are verb plus ing and they act as a noun in the sentence. So you have to revise all the three topics very, very carefully and WhatsApp me for any doubts. What are the three topics? Infinitives, gerunds and participles.